Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing a red light and won't start, you're likely facing a battery issue. This happens when the battery is either deeply discharged or has reached the end of its life. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including complete failure of your vacuum. Let's sort this out together. For this repair, you'll need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery for your Dyson SV12. Start by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged and turned off. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back of the handle. Make sure to keep the screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover away to expose the internal components. The battery is located at the bottom of the unit, connected by a couple of wires. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently disconnect the battery connector. Be careful not to damage any nearby components while doing this. With the connector removed, you can now remove the old battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Take your time here, as applying too much force can damage the casing. Once you've removed the old battery, take the new one and position it correctly inside the compartment. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it's snug and secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you set aside. Before you finish, double-check that everything is in its rightful place. Plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test it. If the red light has disappeared and the vacuum starts as normal, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly charge your vacuum and avoid letting the battery drain completely. Proper maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.